जय जगन्नाथ टू माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन टैरो कंसल्टेंट करिश्मा का चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं विंबलडन चैंपियनशिप 2026 के मैच प्रेडिक्शंस फॉर 2 जुलाई 2026। 2 जुलाई को जितने सारे मैचेस खेले जाने वाले हैं इन मेंस सिंगल, वुमेन्स सिंगल, मेंस डबल्स, वुमेन्स डबल्स एंड आई थिंक फ्रॉम 3 जुलाई वी कैन सी मिक्स डबल्स एज वेल, बट नॉट टुडे। सो हम लोग अभी फिलहाल ये 4 कैटेगरी के जितने मैचेस खेले जाएंगे ऑन 2 जुलाई इनकी मैच विनिंग प्रेडिक्शंस कवर करने वाले हैं। सिंस इतने सारे मैचेस है, ना हम स्टैट्स देख रहे हैं, ना हम कोई रिकॉर्ड देख रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्लेयर्स के नाम के अकॉर्डिंगली इंट्यूटिवली कार्ड्स पुल करेंगे और आपको बता देंगे। सिंपली दीज वीडियोज आर इंट्यूटिव टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग्स फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस एंड नॉट एट ऑल प्रमोटिंग और एनकरेजिंग बेटिंग्स। सो चलिए लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सबसे पहले हम मेंस सिंगल्स के मैचेस कवर करने वाले हैं एंड सेकेंड राउंड के मैचेस चलेंगे आज भी। सो द फर्स्ट मैच टी फ्रिट्ज वर्सेस पी किप्सन एट 3:30 PM इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम। बट उससे पहले आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट जरूर कर लेना। तो लेट्स सी कि टी फ्रिट्ज एंड पी काइप्सन के बीच में पी काइप्सन इज विनिंग दिस मैच। नेक्स्ट मैच अगेन 3:30 PM ए फेरी वर्सेस ओ वर्टनन and the winner is A Ferry. Next match 3:30 PM once again G Diallo versus L Sonego and the winner will be G Diallo. Next match 3:30 PM once again A D Minor versus A Manarino and the winner is going to be A D Minor. Next match Z Swadza versus K Mazak at 4:40 PM Indian Standard Time. All the times are Indian Standard Times and the winner is K Mazak. Next match 4:40 PM once again Z Berg we can say or J Faria. So let's see who is winning this match. So the winner will be Z Bugs. Next match 5 PM Indian Standard Time J Fernley versus J Munard and the winner is J Fernley. Next match 5:10 PM Indian Standard Time K Kachanova versus Y Huffman and the winner is Y Huffman. Next match 5:50 PM Indian Standard Time Q Hallis versus M Gairon and the winner is Q Hallis. Next match 6:40 PM Indian Standard Time V Royer versus A Zverev and the winner is V Royer. Next match 7 PM Indian Standard Time F Typho versus J Koinski and the winner is F Typho. Next match 7 PM Indian Standard Time J Lehika versus A Molkan and the winner is J Lehika. Next match 7 PM once again J Duckworth versus F Koboli and the winner is F Koboli. Next match 7:10 PM Indian Standard Time M Berrettini versus A Fils and the winner is A Fils. Next match 7:50 PM Indian Standard Time K Jacat versus A Bublik and the winner is A Bublik. And the last match for men's single J Mensik versus G Dimitrov 8:20 PM Indian Standard Time and the winner is going to be J Mensik. That is all for men's singles. Now it's time to see for women's singles matches. सो वुमेन्स सिंगल का पहला मैच, फर्स्ट मैच, डी स्नेडर वर्सेस एल सैमसोनोवा will be played at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and the winner of this match is going to be El Samsonova. Next match, T Grant versus M Boskova, again 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and the winner of this match is T Grant. Next match, 3:30 p.m. once again, E Navarro versus O Selek Mativa, and the winner of this match is O Selek Mativa. Next match, 3:30 p.m. once again, D Snigger versus L Zinzin, and the winner is, all these are second round matches, and the winner is D Snigger. Next match, 4:40 p.m. Indian Standard Time, M Wokwads versus A Kruger, and the winner is M Bokwads. Next match, 5:10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, A Blinkova versus M Kostyuk, and the winner of this match is A Blinkova. Next match, 5:10 p.m. once again, A Yala versus M Joint, and the winner of this match is M Joint. Next match, 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, K Swan versus M Keys, and the winner is M Keys. Next match, 5:45 p.m. Indian Standard Time, A Anisimova versus S Kenins, and the winner is A Anisimova. Next match will be played at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, between K Pliskova versus I Swicket, and the winner is I Swicket. Next match, 6:20 p.m. Indian Standard Time, K Rakhimova versus M Sakari, and the winner is K Rakhimova. 6:40 p.m. Indian Standard Time, between S Sartsty versus K Birel, and the winner is K Birel. Next match will be played at 6:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time, between E Martins versus M Timofeva, and the winner of this match is E Martins. Next match will be played at 8:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time, between C McNally versus E Rybakina, and the winner is C McNally. Next match will be played at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time, between J Paolini versus V Golubic, and the winner is V Golubic. Last match for women's singles will be played at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time, between C Osorio versus L Noskova, and the winner is L Noskova. So that is all for women's singles, and now it's time for us to check for men's doubles matches. For men's double, all the first round matches will be played today, that is on 2nd of July. So the first match is at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, between T Aribage A Olivetti versus O Lewis versus R Matos, and the winner for this match is O Luz R Matos. Next match, again 3:30 p.m. on Indian Standard Time, C Franzen R Hayes versus R Ho and H Zabans, and the winner for this match is C Franzen and R Hayes. Next match, 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time once again, N Balaji from India and M Demoliner versus S Gail and S Verbeek, and the winner of this match is N Balaji and team. Next match, again 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, will be played between R Galloway and J Pierce versus H Zeballos and M Granulars, and the winner for this match is H Zeballos and team. Next match, again 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. A. Goransson and E. King versus N. Oberlittner and P. Noza. And the winner of this match is A. Goransson and E. King. Next match will be played at 4:40 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and it will be played between M.A. Reyes Varela and I. Lutarovich versus B. Bonzi and R. Rinderkench. And the quite competition, and the winner of this match is B. Bonzi and team. Next match will be played at 5:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time between D. Pell S. Ahrens versus T. Griekspoor and B. Van den Zandskal. And the winner of this match is D. Pell and team. Next match will be played at 5:50 p.m. once again, and it will be played between T. Tyrante R. Burushaga versus R. Collignon and D. Prismic. And the winner for this match will be T. Tyrante and team. Next match again 5:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time. F. Ribol and S. Dombia versus B. Stevens and V. Kurvkov. And the winner is B. Stevens and team. Next match 5:50 p.m. once again. R. Cash J. Tracy versus N. Borges N. Berintos. And the winner is N. Borges and Berintos. Next match 5:50 p.m. once again. J. Roger T. Winger versus Y. Bhambri, again Indian, M. Venus. And the winner for this match is Y. Bhambri and M. Venus. Next match will be played at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time between J. Munnar P. Carreno versus G. Andreozzi and M. Gainard. And the winner for this match is J. Munnar and team. The last match for men's double will be played at 7:10 p.m. Indian Standard Time between J. L. Struff, Y. Huffman versus V. Kopriva and F. Pezonka. And the winner of this match is J. L. Struff and team. So that is all for men's double, and now it's time for us to check for women's double. So it's the first round for women's double. So let's see how it is going to be for women's double. For women's double, the first match will be played at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time between A. Danilina A. Krunik versus Y. Putintseva and L. Fernandez. And the winner is Y. Putintseva L. Fernandez. Next match 3:30 p.m. once again. D. Jurak A. Ruzik versus Q. Gleason U. Ekiri. And the winner is Q. Gleason and team. Next match 4:40 p.m. Indian Standard Time. E. Chong and A. Tikhonova versus E. Kokairito and A. Lee. And the winner is E. Kokairito and A. Lee. Next match 4:40 p.m. once again. L. Kichenok D. Krozik versus R. Zarazua and O. Olinkova. And the winner is R. Zarazua and team. Sorry for the pronunciations. Again 4:40 p.m. once again. P. Stearns Y. Starodubtseva versus I. Haverlag P. Udvadi. and the winner is I Haverlag. Next match again at 4:40 p.m. Indian Standard Time. K Ladinovic HY Guo versus M Tozavlik and J Burage, and the winner is J Burage and team. Please understand it. Next match 4:40 p.m. once again. S Ioma ES Liang versus Z Sonmez and J Bouzas, and the winner is S Ioma and team. Next match will be played at 5:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and it is going to be played between M Zhu D Dudeni A Dudeni versus S Hesh and X Wang, and the winner for this match is M Zhu and team. Next match 5:50 p.m. once again. M Kempen A Panova versus M Linate and I Zovic, and the winner for this match is M Kempen A Panova. Next match will be played at 6:20 p.m. Indian Standard Time between H. Dart M Lumsden versus A Sudziadi and J Zen, and the winner is H. Dart and team. Next match 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. L Tagger A Patapova versus S Soribs M Buskova, and the winner is S Soribs and M Buskova. Next match will be played at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time between K Siniakova and T Townsend versus C Towson and H C Chan, and the winner is K Siniakova and team. Next match again at 7 p.m. M Kolozezova J Melikova versus T Mihalikova O Nicholas, and the winner is T Mihalikova and O Nichols. Next match again 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I Neil G Olmos versus F H U and H Hozumi, and the winner for this match is F H U and E Hozumi. Next match 7:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time. N Bartunkova A Ayla versus J Ostapenko and S Kenin, and the winner is J Ostapenko and S Kenin. Next match 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. A Siskova K Peter versus H Watson and K Bolter, and the winner for this match is H Watson and K Bolter. Next match will be played at 7:30 p.m. once again between A Razeki M Brooks versus L Sigmund V Vonareva, and the winner is L Sigmund and team. And the last match E Alexandrova M Joint versus E V Irzavic and P Marcinko will be played at 7:30 p.m. again, and the winner is E Alexandrova and team. So that is all for the day, and we have covered men's single, women's single, men's doubles, women's doubles, एंड इन लोगों के नाम पढ़ पढ़ के मेरे जबड़े रोज हिल जाते हैं, मतलब लिटरली मेरा डबल चिन कम होने लग गया है इनके नाम पढ़ पढ़ के. बट जो भी है कुछ कर नहीं सकते, आप प्रेडिक्शन दे रहे हैं तो नाम तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा, बट क्या ही कर सकते हैं. होपफुली आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है. अपने अपने फीडबैक्स कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिएगा, बिकॉज उसी से आई डिसाइड कि इसको कंटिन्यू करना है या नहीं. खैर, आप लोग अपना बहुत अच्छे से ख्याल रखिए. जल्दी मिलती हूँ मैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जय जगन्नाथ.